Hello, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your rest of the month prediction as per your numbers. So, if you are born on a 1st, 10th, 19th, or a 28th, this is your reading. This is what will happen for the rest of the month for you. So, looking in your general energies, but before I look into your cards, let me quickly remind you these are generalized energies. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And now, looking into your energies, number ones, you have decided to network this for the rest of the month. You have decided to make a good contact list. You are actually deriving a lot of benefits from your contacts, by your networking skills, by your socializing skills, and this will bring you the judgment that you want. This will get you what you are really seeking. Number one, so a lot of things are changing in the celestial environment this week. Right from planets going direct to changing signs, it is going to cause a huge impact, and now you are going to get something that you've been waiting for. You are probably feeling very aggressive now to get whatever you want, and that is when that you've decided to take the bait, and you're like, okay, fine, I am just going to go and get this. I'm just going to go and achieve this, and this will in turn bring you your judgment. This will bring you things. You can see things beyond illusion. You can see things in the correct light, and you'll be able to take a stand. You'll be able to take a decision. You'll be able to see things very clearly that will help you make your future decisions. On the love front, again, I see similar energies. I see the Chariot and I see the Compromise. Okay, so here I feel that you're just a little confused about two people. Could be a decision: should I or I shouldn't, what should I do about a certain thing. And this is what is causing you a lot of conflict. There is a lot of compromise. You are actually thinking of if the relationship involves an equal give or take, and you are quite aware of all the stress and the inevitable changes this decision will bring. And also, I think you do not have the clarity to move forward, but this week with the Beyond Illusion card, I think you will be getting the clarity that you require to move forward in your life. And this is what I think was stagnating your love life for a very long time. However, I would like to advise you to go ahead with a lot of controlled emotions. The minute you start getting very sentimental towards one side of the situation, you're going to lose it all, and it will not really help you make the right decision. Number one, a lot of time you have to make the right decision and not something that you like doing. So you could be some of the number ones could be in a place where they will have to really leave things and move to a new in a complete new direction altogether, but that will be for the higher good. On the love front, we have 8 of Wands and morality. So 8 of Wands here indicates that you want to move ahead with a lot of speed. You want to move ahead on a treadmill, on something, on a plane, and you just want to reach somewhere. But the cards advise you that you need to look at a lot of things before you try moving ahead. You have to seek out the truth. You have to investigate into whatever it is that you've been wanting to do. Moving forward is good, but moving forward in the wrong direction is very dangerous. So you really have to seek out some truth, some clarity. So overall, if I see, this week is going to bring you a lot of clarity. It's going to bring you a lot of open scenes. This is the week where you will understand where were you going wrong, what was not working out for you, what was working out for you, and then accordingly you will be taking a stand, you will be taking a decision for yourself. Also, for some of the number ones, when you have a very direct sort of a judgment, you are communicating directly, you are maintaining your boundaries with a lot of people, they will not dare interfering in your progress. And that is when you will get your rapid completions. You will be moving out with a lot of energy, very high speed energy, forward looking, and everything motivational here. Number ones, I see you really moving at a laser speed for the rest of the month, and things look good for you. So if you are stuck between two options, or if there is a question that is on your mind, what should I do, what should I not do, what will work out, what wouldn't, the angel answers deck has something to say to you. It says there's something better. So if there is something that you're very dissatisfied with, then there is something better. Number ones, like I've mentioned, you have to trust what you're seeing, and you have to take your steps and your directions accordingly. So likewise, an advice from the Sacred Traveler, Desert Passage, trust there's a divine plan. So everything that you're doing is being guided by, you are guided to do certain things, you are guided towards a certain direction. If something is not working out, it is God's way to tell you that, okay, this is not going to work out for you and you really need to move out of it. And until unless he doesn't give you that obstacle, you're not going to really move out of it. So the only way for him to make you move out of it is to give you a lot of issues on that path, and that's how you will move out of it. But there is a divine plan, there is something better coming up for you. And I've pulled out a card for you in terms of what is a message that someone wants to give you. This could be someone on your romantic life mostly, because again we've got the Lovers plane, and but not necessarily, because I've just pulled it out in general direction. I can now see things clearly. This again looks to me on a romantic front. Your entire reading, a lot of it is on the romantic front. So number ones, I feel that you're going to get a lot of clarity in terms of where your life is going, what you are, what is your, what is the path that you will be traveling for a very long time, and how things will be shaping up for you in the future. So number ones, if you like this reading and if this resonates with you, please write to me. I have adopted a new format and I would love to get your feedback on it. Please write to me in the comment section below. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is given in the description box below, and your general Vedic sign readings will be done in a day or two, and even that will be posted up. But please let me know what you feel about it, and like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and just be there like you have always been. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. So until I do the next reading, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.